to your Tonic magazine collection and weekend bundles. All the weekend bundles this week are going to match and complement your Tonic magazine. Now, what do you get in your Tonic magazine? This is a box collection, okay? So inside your magazine, you are going to get not only the magazine, you've got 74 amazing projects in there, okay? They're all written by our girls, absolutely perfect. There's no jargon in there. It literally is as us crafters speak. So you've got all that inspiration in there. But then you've also got, let me get to the back. You've also got all these beautiful papers, okay? It is craft paper. It's not magazine paper. It's not shiny at all. So you can ink it, you can stain it, you can manipulate it, you can do all your origami folds with it if you want to. But as you can see, one side has got your patterns, the other side has got toppers. So you've got all that different possibility of usage in there. But don't forget to bring your shimmer pens in. If you bring your shimmer pens in, you can add the glitter into them as well. But as I say, that magazine is a craft magazine. There's no jargon in there that shouldn't be in there. And plus you've got competitions in there as well. Now, nice magazine, but let's look at the hardware, because for me as a crafter, the hardware is the important bit. You have got, let's open this little bag of goodness up. Inside here, you have got a beautiful stencil. I have to say, I adore the honey pot on this and the little bumblebee. I'm rather partial to the bumblebee. You've got all the stamps in there as well with your sentiments. You have got your dies, so beautiful corner dies in here. Gorgeous little hummingbird in the corner there. He looks absolutely amazing if you flood him with dream drops, so he's nice and sparkly and iridescent. But you've got individual flowers inside that collection as well. But then you've also got the additional die. Now this additional die is huge, okay? It's a huge die. This on its own, you're paying about £20 for on its own. But you're getting this in that bundle, okay? So that is your Tonic magazine. But let's have a look at the weekend bundles, and I'm going to bring the Tonic magazine into play here. So let's get rid of that and let's bring in some papers, okay? And this is where your bundles are going to help your magazine collection. So first of all, an addition that you will want for your magazine is going to be a collection of cards. So we've got a lovely collection of cards here for you. So we've got the craft card in there in the 2 sizes. We have got the cream as well. You've got your 5x7s, your smaller little diddy ones there. Some of these are US size, but absolutely perfect for the smaller cards. You've got 3 creams in there, and you've also got a white one in there. So that is your card collection. Let's face it, that's the base of everything that we do. So an absolute tremendous collection in there. So let's put those to one side. Collection 1. Base card. I'm bringing these. Dan's organised them on the table so neat, and I'm going to make such a mess. But hey, let's bring these in, because this is your Craft Perfect card range that's in your weekend bundles. But look at all those for that beautiful colour configuration there. You're getting the beautiful colours. So you've got 10 of the blue, 10 of the coral, 10 of the red, 10 of the cream. You've got all those different colours going all the way through there. So you're getting 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80 sheets of Craft Perfect card there. Now Craft Perfect is uncoated, so you can use it for all your mats, your layers, your inking techniques, all those different things. The only thing it's not good for is your card blank, because it's too light at a 216 GSM. But that is your Craft Perfect card bundle, and I know you can't get enough of that because we sell so much of it. So that's one bundle. Another bundle, textures. Let's face it, there's nothing better than a good old texture. And look at that colour configuration to go with those papers. Absolutely beautiful. We've got the gorgeous, I mean, look, works absolutely perfectly, doesn't it? Really, really fantastic textures in that collection, from your golds to your blues to your roses in there, and also your coppers in there. So that is your textured collection of card as well. Now we can't have card and we can't have paper without Nuvo, can we? So let's bring our collection of vintage Nuvo drops in. And once again, look how they work perfectly with those papers. You've got 5 different shades in there, from your beautiful rose in there to that absolutely gorgeous Regency green. Absolutely beautiful array there. But remember, these are your vintage. So the difference with the vintage, they will come out as a matte finish. Okay, so there'll be no shine. Perfectly round like a normal Nuvo drop, but they will give you a matte finish. Because we've got stamps, let's get the stamps. Where's my stamps gone? Because we've got stamps in the collection, of course we're going to need ink pads, aren't we? And we've got the perfect ink pad collection for you as well. I mean, the colour combination it's amazing. The beautiful powdered peach matching in with these here. The Midnight Surf is going to give you the most beautiful contrast with the leaves. They really are a beautiful set of ink pads to complement that Tonic magazine. They are absolutely gorgeous. And one of the things I really like about Nuvo ink pads, you know, little things really please me, but when they're on my desk and they're literally sat like that, they've got the names on the sides as well as the tops. And why is that important for me? Because how many times I go like that with my other ink pads, and that lid will end up on the top of that one, and that one will end up on the top of that one, because I don't know what colour ink it is. But because it's got that label there, it allows me to put the right lid on the right one, so I know instantly what colour I'm getting. It's just the littlest thing in life, but by Jove, it pleases me. Yeah, so that is your inks collection. And let's go, and we can't have, if we're having Nuvo, we've got to have a bit of wet Nuvo as well, because look at that colour combo. This here is your Glacier Paste. Glacier Pastes are absolutely perfect to work alongside your Tonic magazine. You've got your stencil in the collection there, and in here you've got that amazing green. I love this colour. I forgot what it's called. What's it called? Mambo Melon. It reminds me of a flamingo. It really does. Love it. And then you've got that gorgeous Pineapple Delight, and the green one is called Green Envy. Yeah, but look at that colour configuration. If you've not got the magazine is now available on the Tonic's website, but if you don't, it's here. But look at all these weekend bundles, oops, that are going to complement, I've just lost all those ones, that are going to complement those papers. Let me bring all those in so you can see them, because they look absolutely amazing together. All those gorgeous bundles that are all going to work with your Tonic magazine. And don't forget, stick your cards and envelopes in, and you've got a whole week's of fun to play with. Have a nice weekend.